Let's take another look at this cabinet for capacitor compensation. You can see that all the capacitor compensators are turned on, but the power factor is not very high. Furthermore, I have noticed that they have never been switched off, and a major reason for this is that the capacitor compensators are faulty. Today, I will show you how to use online methods to check the condition of the capacitor bank. First, let's open the cabinet door. To check the condition of the capacitor compensators, we will need to use a clamp ammeter and a voltage tester. Now let me demonstrate it to you. Let's take a look. The thermal overload relay used for the capacitor compensators is set at 28 amp. We will first set the clamp ammeter to the 200 amp position. Then, we will find a suitable location to measure the current. Let's start with this set. As you can see, it is 14.3 amps, indicating that this capacitor compensator is currently operating. Now let's look at this set. It shows 0, indicating that this capacitor compensator is not functioning. At this point, we will use the voltage tester. We didn't measure the current of this set earlier, so let's use the voltage tester to check if there is any voltage. It is evident that there is voltage here, indicating that our AC contactor has closed and the fuse is also intact, which means this set of capacitor compensators is faulty. If we find no electricity here during the test, we just need to look upward to see if there is electricity there. If there is electricity there but not below, then it is definitely a problem with the AC contactor, indicating that it did not close. If it is at the lower end of this fuse, where there is no electricity, but there is electricity above, then it means the fuse has burned out. Did everyone understand? If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share and follow me for more updates.